Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2017 Chevrolet Impala Premier 2LZ in Summit White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear bumper parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, heat and ventilated seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 55,000 miles on the odometer, an 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, a rear 120-volt power outlet, power sunroof, a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3188B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.